Guys, welcome back to my channel. And now you are watching a video of property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and food category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location, and here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Next, we talk about the details of this property. So, all guests will be required to check in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. If you are planning to book it, you can go through the link provided in the description. Booking or book details, check link in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room at this property, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already stayed in this property, please share your experience.